Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Hi explorers, you are in for a treat today. You can get a glass of your favorite drink and just sit back and enjoy this video. If you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, click on that like button and stay tuned throughout the end of this video. I'm removing the labels from these hamburger dill bottles that I've been saving over time. I'm going to be showing you how you can use these bottles to make a set of bathroom vanity accessories to store like your cotton balls, your cotton buds, toothpicks, or whatever you feel like putting inside of them. I have already washed and dried these bottles and I'm using painter's tape to cover up the areas that I don't want spray paint on. I started off with a zigzag pattern at the top and then I changed my mind. I decided that I was just gonna go with straight lines all around. The bottles are now ready to be spray painted and here is the color spray paint that I decided on using. I got these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I needed something with a pretty flat base so that it is easy to glue to the base of the bottles. Again, I'm taping off those areas that I don't want to be spray painted. Now I'm going to be gluing about 4 of these gemstones together to make handles for the covers of the bottles. I am using both E6000 glue and a little hot glue also. The E6000 glue is for the strength to hold it together, but it takes a little while to dry. The hot glue will kinda dry immediately and help them to stick together faster. I spray painted it in the same copper looking color that I'm using, and this is what it looks like. I'm now gluing it on to the cover of the bottle. I'm using E6000 glue and I'm also going to be using hot glue, which you would have to hold it on for about 20 to 30 seconds to make sure that the hot glue dries. I'm going to be adding this glitter ribbon that I found in the Dollar Tree. I really like it and it matches the color that I'm using. I'm going to just cover that area where the spray paint stops on the glass. It is peel and stick, and the adhesive at the back seems pretty strong to me, so I won't be using any glue. Now I'm removing the tape from the intersection of the bottle. It's gonna leave that transparent look so that you can see the contents of the bottle. I'm really looking at the color. I really like this color, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I used some nail polish remover, or you can use acetone that you use to clean your nails to remove any paint that was smudging the bottle. I am now adding the glitter trim to the bottles. I really think it goes well with this color spray paint that I use. Now I'm going to be adding on these jewel border stickers just to uplift the look a little bit more. I'm going to be using the sheer ribbon to make some bows that I'll just use to cover up those areas where I cut the glitter ribbon. I also bought this in the Dollar Tree. Now I'm ready to glue on the candle holders to the bottom of the bottles. I'm using the same E6000 glue with some hot glue in order to make sure it holds pretty well. You want to hold it on for probably to 30 to 40 seconds just to make sure that it is properly attached. I am going to be adding these dental flossers that I got in the Dollar Tree, and in the bigger one I'm going to be adding some cotton balls along with some cotton pads, and for the final one I'm going to add some cotton swabs. I really like how they came out. Let me know in the comment section if you really like it too. Here is a close-up of what the final project looks like. All of the accessories that I used to create this piece, most of them were obtained in the Dollar Tree. I will provide a list of all the things that I used to create this piece in the description below. These pieces have really uplifted the look of my bathroom. If you found some value in this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!